My beautiful friends, for today's video, I've recorded for you easiest cinnamon girl makeup tutorial. I already have foundation on my face, so I'm sharing with you one of my favorite makeup hacks, and it is to use matte lipstick instead of liquid blush if you do not have color you need. First, for eyes, I'm applying soft brown eyeshadow all over my lid and then start to blend it really well. It's not necessary to use any undertone for this makeup. I'm just using a bit of powder, or you can use eye primer because it's soft makeup, so you don't need to make it really thick. The main thing here is blending and soft colors, so it's really beginner friendly. It would really benefit if you look yourself right into the eyes, staring right into the eyes in your mirror. So my mirror is a little bit lower, but I check placement from time to time staring at camera, and I really want you to see every step. With the same brush I'm getting under my eyes. You may benefit using smaller brush, but it depends on your eyes, your skill levels. If you need to blend your eyeshadows even more, I'm using clean brush. After that, I'm using light eyeshadow to blend it a little bit more and to make it softer. For this step, you may also use a light highlighter, but it depends on your wants and needs. And then with tiny little brush, I'm applying the same eyeshadow to my eye corners. This one really reminds me of something like cinnamon bun. Of course, for this one, I'm not using black eye pencil, but brown one. Mine is from Essence and I really like it. You don't need to spend a really lot of money for a good eye pencil. I'm blending this one with a small flat brush, so you can see I have tiny movements and going from side to side, so you can see the difference between my eyes. I'm not trying to make any eyeliner here, but you can make it. I've promised you something easy, so here we go. You're really welcome to tell me what would you like to see more creative makeups or more wearable ones, because I'm trying to do my best for you. So yeah, subscribe to this channel if you like this one. Let me know if you have the specific makeup you would like me to create for you, and remember that you're already beautiful.